The steel industry is the backbone of infrastructure, construction, automotive, and manufacturing. It's a capital-intensive process involving mining, smelting, refining, and shaping steel into usable products. But without proper systems in place, this complexity can lead to inefficiencies. Steel production is a multi-step process starting with raw material handling. Raw materials like iron or coal and recycled steel are prepared for smelting. In blast furnaces or electric arc furnaces, these materials are melted and purified into steel. The molten steel is cast into shapes and passed through rolling mills to form plates, rods, and other products. Heat treatment ensures the steel achieves the right strength and flexibility. Rigorous testing ensures the steel meets industry standards for strength, hardness, and durability. How ERP software transforms the steel industry. Automated inventory tracking. Real-time tracking of raw materials ensures optimal stock levels, reducing wastage. Production planning and scheduling. ERP software automates production planning, aligning every department for smoother operations. Integrated quality control. With built-in quality control, defects are caught early, reducing rework and improving consistency. Cost and resource management. ERP helps optimize resource usage and tracks costs, boosting profitability. Supply chain optimization. Streamlined supply chains ensure timely deliveries of raw materials and finished products. Benefits of ERP software for the steel industry. By adopting ERP software, steel manufacturers can expect increased efficiency, improved product quality, reduced costs, better decision-making. In an industry as demanding as steel, operational efficiency is key to success. Absolute ERP helps steel manufacturers streamline their processes, reduce costs, and achieve better results. Contact us today to learn more about ERP solutions.